myself I don't think Baba Ijesha any fault for coming out to speak, like share his own story. I don't think it's bad at all. I don't think it's bad, and I don't want us to also be bashing at Biola. No. Now, I saw a video. Tí Baba Latin, Mr. Latin, Tantin Soro, lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Baba Ijesha náà. So, then also in that video, they talked about Auntie Biola, the interview tí Baba Ijesha ṣe pẹ̀lú Auntie Biola, and other things. Then àwọn àṣírí mi náà tán gbé jáde. In fact, I will ensure that this video kò ní pẹ́, but then ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ ńbẹ̀, so mo fẹ́ yẹ ká ọ̀rọ̀ máa mú níṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń tẹ̀lé. Okay, so then bí a bá ṣe ń wo fídíò yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká máa share opinion wa lórí bí bó ṣe rí lọ́kàn wa. Ṣé pé mo ti máa ń sọ, it's all about update on this channel. We are not here to bash anybody or say that maybe nǹkan tẹ́nìkan sọ kò dáa àbí kìnnìkan. No, we are just here to be neutral as possible. So we are not supporting nor against anyone. So ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ bá ṣe ń wo fídíò yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ with understanding. Baba Ijesha ní ìmọ̀ ti tèmi o, èmi ò rò pé bóyá ẹbí kankan wà ń bẹ like that tá lè sọ pé bóyá wọ́n nítorí pé wọ́n wá sórí interview. I'm not talking about pé ìwà tán wò. No, I'm not saying that, because we are not there. Nǹkan tán sọ fún wa lórí ayélujára òun ni gbogbo wa tá ń sọ̀rọ̀ ń pẹ̀ lórí. Tó bá yẹ kí wọ́n parọ́ fún wa ńkọ́, ṣáà mọ̀ ni àmọ́ get báyẹn. But pé wọ́n wá jáde láti wá share story wọn, I don't think it's wrong. Even Aunty Iyabo Ojo gan sọ̀rọ̀, wọ́n ní wípé àwọn ò ní issue pẹ̀lú pé wọ́n jáde láti share story, but kan táwọn ní issue ni pé wọ́n ṣe mention orúkọ ọmọ àwọn. Ṣé ti get báyẹn? But then ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́, ẹ jẹ́ á farabalẹ̀. Ibo ni kí n ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ yẹn bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti bẹ̀rẹ̀. Báwo lè ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ sọ wípé mi wà lára àwọn tó tako Biola, tó fẹ́ bring Biola down? Báwo làwọn èèyàn ṣe máa ń ṣe báyìí gan náà? Ẹni tó ṣiṣẹ́ tí platform wọn fi dé ibi tán dé yẹn, báwo lè ṣe máa sọ pé ẹ wà lára àwọn tó fẹ́ tako, tó fẹ́ bring Biola down? Ẹjá ṣe máa bẹ̀rù ajé, ẹjá máa bẹ̀rù iṣẹ́ táwọn èèyàn ti ṣe kan tó dé ibi tán dé now. It's a platform. You can't be blaming her now. Like that platform needs to come down. No, the platform will not come down. It will not come down. The last thing. It's really bad, honestly. I will tell you why Biola. No, don't get it wrong. The reason tí Aunty Biola tí wọ́n fi lè ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe yẹn is because of iṣẹ́ wọn nìyẹn, nǹkan tó ń gbé dání nìyẹn. Not that way she's supporting, no. Not that way she supports what Baba Ijesha did. No, iṣẹ́ wọn ni. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká gẹ̀dẹ̀, ẹ má jẹ́ ká mọ́dù gbogbo ẹ̀ papọ̀. Iṣẹ́ wọn ni. Like, even tó bá yẹ kí wọ́n ṣe nǹkan tí ò dáa, right? Our own is to support the person, ensure that the person is good and fine. That's what about this. So, I think she's doing that to everybody in the prison. Yes. That's somebody that was in mind. Not a BTS. Okay, man. Not a BTS. I get that. Anyway. It's like, Contra and a BTS. Oh, no, back in. No, I'm not getting the BTS. I'm not getting what he said. He's a narcissist. He never owned up to any of his fault. It's almost other people's fault. Then I'm not expecting her to do such a thing. I have my own opinion about that. Like I said yesterday, Biola has a platform where she gives everybody the opportunity to hear their opinions. And like we know, this is something that she has invited Iyabo before. She has invited Process before. I just feel that she feels that it is fair enough for her to listen to Baba Ijesha's side of the story. But I think it got to the other side of people. A lot of people are not happy with that decision because this is a convicted man. And like we discussed yesterday, it's a man that has gone to even say challenging the authority of the judiciary of what they have done, rubbishing their judgments whatsoever, even to the Supreme Court, because you have gone to the lower court
court, you were found guilty, and then you went to the court of appeal, and you were still found guilty. And because of that, you still felt that they have not done well. No, he has come out to say, no, it's what they give the judge, the cause that the court will work on and all that. But that is just crap. He knows what he's doing.
Well, that's true, Sha. In Kotomba fún àwọn adájọ́, òun náà máa work on. See, for example now, gbogbo wa náà la mọ̀. Kọ́lọ́run kó ṣàánú ni. Ká má bọ̀ sọ́wọ́, ká má bọ̀ ha. Tí nǹkan bá ṣẹlẹ̀ nísìn, in fact, ẹ má yẹ kí n lọ too deep. Ọlọ́run ní jẹ́ kí n bí kó ṣẹlẹ̀ sẹ́ni kankan wa. For example now, téèyàn ń lọ lójú títì tó wá jẹ́ wípé èèyàn kàn ra fara gbá ẹni yẹn tàbí kó yẹ pé èèyàn ò fara gbá bóyá èèyàn kàn ra move lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ ẹni yẹn lẹ́ni yẹn bá ṣubú ló bá pín. Ǹjẹ́ mọ̀ wípé wọ́n lè mú ẹni tó fara gbá yẹn pé ó ti fi nǹkan kan tẹ́ni yẹn dẹ̀ lè lọ sẹ́wọ̀n torí ẹ̀ bá rí ẹ̀ tó bá jẹ́ pé wọ́n ṣẹ̀ wá ti wájọ jà tó jẹ́ pé àdúgbò náà jọ tó ti ní gbólóhùn aṣọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tó ti jọ fọ̀rọ̀ táwọn síra wọn ẹni wọ́n jọ ń jà ní so nítorí ẹ̀ ló fi páàbí ó ti fi nǹkan kan lára ìrírí wẹ́rẹ́ aṣọ lè jẹ́ pé bóyá ẹni yẹn gan ò gbádùn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tó yẹ pé walking dead person ni tí ó gbádùn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tó yẹ pé ó kàn ṣe kòǹgẹ́ ìgbà tí ẹni yẹn kọjá ni òun náà fi máa ń gbàdúrà pé kọ́lọ́run ṣàánú yàn kọ́lọ́run kó ràn yàn lọ́wọ́ lóhùn situation báyẹn nísìn kò sẹ́rìí kò sẹ́lẹ́rìí níbi kankan ẹjọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run wọ́n lè gbé ẹni yẹn lọ sẹ́wọ̀n kan dájọ́ kú fún un pé òun ló pa ẹni yẹn ìṣáàlì tán tó bá táwọn ẹlẹ́rìí bá wà nígbà tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ pé orí ò pé wàá ṣe kíní kan ni máa treat fọ́kọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ kíní kan nígbà tó ń wò bá lẹ́rìí tó fẹ́ present nǹkan so ìyẹn sì wà lóòótọ́ o.
So, Itoye Gongo Nasimaru, well, let's now talk about it tonight. We have said today that a lot of people have come out. Ashabi Oloisha, our own beautiful sister there, has been online since yesterday, saying Baba Ijesha had tried such a thing with her before, and she gave him a dentist slap. Baba Ijesha said, that he was in her house because he had a problem with somebody because of that kind of a thing. And she supported him to come to her own house. And instead of Baba Ijesha to go and sleep, who fell she and Tilasho would do that he why. So that's it's in him. It's not it's a mental health issue. He needs support, he needs help. Instead of coming out and planting interviews up and down.
tó bá yẹ pé nǹkan báyẹn ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ Baba Ijesha needs help for real and it's more of like a spiritual thing actually, just like bí Aunty Adétòun ṣe sọ̀rọ̀. He needs to pray, he needs to seek counsel from people that actually deals with such thing because it's very important. Wọ́n lè yẹ pé àwọn ò fẹ́ ṣe but it is somehow.
We have seen that he has gone again to Ayefele's studio. And I even thought they said he's traveled. Yes, they said he traveled.
We know Detoun has
not spoken for a long time. Detoun was part of those people that went to the police station. You know what Detoun stands for? She stands
Justice
for children's rights. She's an advocate of children's rights. And so she was part of those people that were against Baba Ijesha. That's at that time. They went to the police station. They said Baba Ijesha must pay for this crime. And we saw all their rules in this particular case. We have seen Detoun today coming out. I saw a video of Baba Ijesha, and that was what Mr. Lancy. It's just to show his solidarity for the child that was molested, for the mother that was part of them, and to stand for the right things.
Good evening, everybody. My name is Bolaji Amusho. I am Papa President. For his past few days, I was a willing lawyer of Mr. Larry Obinika, Baba Ijesha. And as the president of TAPAN, I was the national director of research and documentation of Mofonida Chief Police Statement on behalf of TAPAN. That's to condemn the Wati Baba Ijesha into that which I was the supporter TAPAN Yoruba 2 years ago. I was the supporter before everybody because the TAPAN is supporting the Wati Baba Ijesha. As the president of TAPAN, that is what I'm supposed to do. But I am I suspect and they put my bed, me or I am not in the shop on the way.
Number one, let's look at this. Let's even assume that's an old one. But one thing Timothy got me. Number one, he came out as the leader of that association.
Okay, I think it's an old video. Wow, and nobody.
And secondly, I won't condemn party. If the president of the organization, of the association, could come out to say that Baba Ijesha could die, and because he has been convicted, I would like to support him, no matter what. If you're a suspect, and people are saying, it's not fair, people can still stand by him, it's a different thing. Somebody who has not been convicted of any offense still has the right to be held in the court of law. And that is why, people were like, okay, let him go and go to court and do everything. And he's been judged that he was totally wrong.
actually the thing is that nǹkan tí Mr. Latin sọ kò mí rò pé nǹkan tó bad ni àwọn ò ní àṣẹ láti lé wọn kó nu ẹgbẹ́ actually because the only thing tán kàn lè issue statement pé okay o àwọn suspend wọn for the meantime then that's all. I think ó dà pé mo rí recently nísìnyí tán pé wọ́n ti gbà wọ́n padà gan sef so I don't think ó yẹ ká mọ̀rọ̀ ilé tó bá yẹn actually kò yẹ ká máa ẹ jẹ́ ká fi Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà sílẹ̀ for real like the only thing we can do is àwọn tó bá súnmọ́ wọn kàn pray fún wọn then give him good advice on what to do tó bá yẹ because this thing bí mo ṣe ń sọ náà pé ìdí tí gbogbo wa fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ báyìí ò ní pé nítorí pé àmọ́ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àmọ́ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan tó bá yẹ pé possible pé machine kan wà ní téèyàn lè fi detect pé irọ́ lẹ́nìkan pa àbó òótọ́ lẹ́nìkan pa of course ó wà téèyàn wá fi lè mọ òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ gangan ìgbà yẹn gangan lèyìn ó wà mọ bí téèyàn ó center ọ̀rọ̀ lọ because ní ìsìn báyìí what if he did in which he did actually because video yẹn wà nílẹ̀ at least àrígbọ́n wọn touch ọmọ yẹn and ibi tọ́rọ̀ yẹn dẹ̀ ti wá ní oní wípé wọ́n ní wípé Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà wípé ọmọ yẹn ti ń complain tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ wípé wọ́n ní pé kò lè concentrate in school kìíní kan ó wá ti ń sọ pé Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà ni wọ́n máa ń fọwọ́ kan òun kìíní kan something like that wọ́n wá fi ọmọ yẹn wọ́n fi dẹ́ set up náà ní actually òun ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní fídíò tá a rí yìí Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà náà wọ́n dẹ̀ fall victim so tó bá jẹ́ bó ṣe rí yẹn tí ò ṣe pé bóyá fíìmù ni o because kì í ṣe fíìmù tó bá gbé fíìmù ni cameraman yẹ kó wà ń bẹ̀ continuity light ó yẹ kó wà ń bẹ̀ n ò dẹ̀ sí ń bẹ̀ so tó bá rí bó ṣe rí yẹn Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà really needs help for real.
That is something, and you're saying you want to do a film, and like people are saying they are going to blame Biola. Biola, you know the ethics of the profession. You know even if you are not part of the governing body, at least you're privy to some of this information that we have, especially with this one that said is an old one. You using your platform to try to raise money for Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà to do film. Because Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà, you're coming out to raise money for Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà because the show you did is totally to raise money for his film that he's intending to do. And the film is all about what happened in this case. He is trying to do he has sung the song. He made a song and the song is going nowhere. Do you understand? So the song is going nowhere and so he wants to make a film out of that. Just like Yomi Family did doing that case for Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà, the film did not fly, even though he did the film. But what did the film anyway? The film was reported. And now, this one, for him, he came to your platform. I was talking about raising 15 million naira to make a film to whitewash himself, a film to cleanse himself from all these things that he has been accused and that he has been convicted of, not even accused of. And that's why people are so much against Abiola. Well,
yeah, I understand like this part now, I understand. Because I want you for Jackie, people are very careful of something. Just like this Olopa Meta case, Olopa Meta artist Saheed Òṣùpá, gbogbo alamọ story actually. Nígbà tí was it not 2 weeks ago? Tẹ́nìkan ṣe fíìmù yẹn Olopa Meta gan sì tún wà nínú fíìmù yẹn, tán ṣe fíìmù yẹn jáde. Àwọn kan ní láti máa sọ fún man to produce fíìmù yẹn pé go and delete that movie lórí YouTube. Reason ni wípé wọn ò fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àwọn èèyàn get it wrong. Wọn ò fẹ́ jẹ́ kí àwọn get information whereas the information is very direct. So that is not even where I'm going to. So nǹkan táwọn ẹ̀rù ń bá àwọn èèyàn ni pé ẹni tí ò wà remorseful, tí ò understand nǹkan tó ṣe láìda, ó wá lóun fẹ́ ṣe fíìmù. Ẹjọ́ fúrú fíìmù wọn náà fẹ́ gbé jáde. Fíìmù tí ó jẹ́ wípé máa support nǹkan tán ṣe òun náà máa gbé jáde, story yẹn òun náà máa gbé jáde because they believe that òun ò lè kọ story kankan tó yẹ wípé ó máa against child molesting. Get by so a lot of people are afraid. In fact, èmi gan wá bí mi léèrè pé ṣé mo fẹ́ yẹ kán gbé fíìmù jáde kí Bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà kó gbé fíìmù jáde. Bàbá kọ́ ní ẹjọ́ ẹ jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn check ẹ̀ kán check script yẹn dáadáa kán check story yẹn ṣó lọ in line ṣé ìṣe pé bóyá bàbá ń try láti fẹ́ báwọn fẹ́ pè ní ìsinyìí prove ara wọn you know, tí ó bá ti jẹ́ pé kì í ṣe pé wọ́n fẹ́ prove ara wọn, tí ò dẹ̀ ṣe pé bóyá wọ́n try láti support nǹkan táwọn ṣe pé kíní, it is fine. In fact, kó jẹ́ another story entirely gan, tí ò ṣe story títí wọn, bá jẹ́ pé lẹ́yìn gangan ni ilé yẹn wà okay.
This is Baba Ijesha, Baba Mr. Latin now. Now, tell me, Abiola, who is going to act in that film if he's been suspended, removed from the association? Tell me about the film again, and the issue of artists. That shows that, of course, the association itself wants to put in the association, and then you are getting, because I thought as a colleague, that's the way you're acting as a colleague, having him on your platform. Sure, you understand? So, over the film, over 15 million. Tell us about Baba Ijesha film. Association.
Actually. Okay, ó ti yé mi báyìí because èmi náà máa ń gbọ́ àwọn apá gbogbo àwọn tó máa ń ṣeré yẹn, most of them kọ́ ni ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ TAMPAN, so wọ́n ní pé mo ṣe ọmọ ẹgbẹ́ TAMPAN, so nǹkan táwọn lè ṣe ojú báyẹn lọ. It is well, though.
No right person, no right person. Come on, say, you might go to move sexy back home, get a logo. You know, support by this. That means the few, that means that he was framed. What is she doing? We need supporting by this. The legal office, 100%.
Shit, to get mine. One lay, kuku shit, so far. In fact, I just rewind the idea.
Supported by this. That means the few. That means that he was framed. What is she doing? Once we name supporting Baba Ijesha, her legal office, 100%. Some of you are just being emotional for no reason. Because the totally video to Bobonini, to you for, tell you something, one frame up. This lady said, oh, frame up. He said, because that girl had told her before, so it was a stage one to catch him.
Exactly.
Because some people was stage, she told you people, only I was stage because oh my, so far, she called it, you know what? So whatever video you're seeing, anybody want funny, anybody film with me, yeah, bitch, only people you welcome, any film with me, I'm your last yesterday, a official film. Go back, no camera, no commercial, nobody. I still call it film. I've seen a lot of videos going out for I want to you know where you could see that they are coming out. Good parents, and what they are more. You know what pushing leader down. And what you want, and why you talk, you're supporting Baba Ijesha.
Well, I don't think people are supporting Baba Ijesha. Don't get it wrong, oh. In fact, mo ṣe rí comment kan ní àárọ̀ yìí. Someone, I mean, not one person, actually, several people were like, ẹ ṣe ẹ fi bàbá ẹ sílẹ̀, ó ti lọ sáàfù nǹkan tó yẹ kó sáàfù náà, ẹ fi ilẹ̀. Àwọn kan sọ wípé yes, ó lè jẹ̀bi nítorí pé ó jáde, nítorí pé ó fẹ́ máa prove ara ẹ̀ pé òun ò ṣe nǹkan tó right, but then ẹ ṣe ẹ fi sílẹ̀ náà, ẹ jẹ́ kó ṣe. The best thing, mo gbọ́ pé wọ́n ti travel, wọ́n ti lọ UK, ó ní wípé kí Baba Ijesha rárá dúró sí UK kan wà yẹn, kán má jáde, kán má lọ bí kankan, kán try láti correct ara wọn. That's just the best thing he needs to do in this moment in time. Gbogbo bó ṣe ń grant interview left and right yẹn, I don't even understand. I don't know. Wọ́n tún sọ pé wọ́n lọ sọ́dọ̀ Yínká Ayéfẹ́lẹ́, wọ́n tún lọ ń sọ̀rọ̀ again. It is fine for him to share his own side of story against the but ẹnu kan máa kùn wọ́n ní Baba Ijesha.
Sí ìdàgbà ẹ̀jẹ̀ bí ó ti ṣe, mo ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ tí ló bá ṣe tó lọ jìyà iṣẹ́ kò jẹ́ that the court of law àti gbogbo àwọn tó bá bẹ̀ orí wọn ò pé somebody that has gone ló ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ because wọ́n gbé àkókò kọ́ má bàjẹ́ ṣùgbọ́n torí bí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ó ti àtúwé nǹkan tó fi ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ ó lè gbọ́dọ̀ sábà yìí náà sọ ó ní etí orí ẹ̀ bá pé kòkó kò lè ẹ́fà support Baba Ijesha ìjẹba.
At all, actually, that is just it. Nobody will support Baba Ijesha, but then àwọn kan máa ruin it, you know, in another way. Okay, wọ́n ti lọ serve sentence on them. If you want to let jàre, so that's just it. But then attitude in habit is not a good thing. That it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. Actually sound relevant.
So that even tells us that Baba Ijesha, you cannot do any film. And if you don't tell who's Baba Ijesha, listen, I will advise contribute this money, let him go and start doing business. Only contact the average, only thing go place. So the man of the quality can come at Baba Ijesha can go into family, it's no big deal. Anything you dey say,
ẹ má ṣe ló wà máa yí ìtàn pátápátá náà kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ wọ́n ṣáà ní àwọn fans outside the country bí wọ́n ṣe gbọ́ pé wọ́n lọ sí London yẹn àbí ìmọ̀bí tán ṣáà lọ ní UK ẹ má lò wá ẹ fẹ́ jẹ́ kí bàbá yẹn wà depressed bàtà ní ti COVID ti bá ẹ tún lọ bá fan kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ jọ náà no matter what Ọlọ́run máa ń dárí jẹ ni and I believe that by now wọ́n ti máa mọ̀ pé nǹkan táwọn ṣe ò dáa tó bá yẹ pé yes I mean but nǹkan tá a rí nínú fídíò ni so Ọlọ́run ló bá olùdáríjì ẹ dáríjì wọn.
wọ́n ní wọn ò fẹ́ ní òǹdarí whether you like it or not lọ ṣe interview nínú wọn kókó lọ́dọ̀ nígbà yẹn fẹ́lẹ́ kókó lọ́dọ̀ àwọn Bíọ́lá wọ́n ní wọ́n fẹ́ má bù Bíọ́lá ìfi Bíọ́lá lè ẹjọ́ tòyọ́tọ̀ àdéhùn àwọn agafẹ́lẹ́ àwọn tí wọ́n lọ.
Seriously ẹjọ́ ẹ má bù àti Bíọ́lá tẹ́yìn ẹ ṣe ọkọ sọ nígbà tí mo kọ́kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ fídíò wípé òun wà lára àwọn tó fẹ́ bring Bíọ́lá kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣáàntì ìṣẹ́yìn tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ ni ṣé ẹ̀ tí ìrìṣẹ́ ribiribi táǹtì Bíọ́lá ń ṣe látijọ́ ẹ̀ wáyé tó yẹ pé nítorí ọ̀rọ̀ Baba Ijesha lè wá fẹ́ fi pull ẹni ẹlẹ́ni dáhùn kí ló dé náà ayé ò le tó báyìí.
ọ̀fọ́ rẹ̀ wọ́n ṣe ó fún ọ̀rẹ́ kò fún ní voice ikú bá ti fẹ́ ṣe é bí a kò mọ̀ pé you come and start saying rubbish on that platform.
She might not know. She won't be aware.
How can you say you don't want to be a why you got to film? No scripts. Most of the film that is me. I'm not even my dad film that is good. Not a man can say what happens. When you have to film today, if I was saying, I didn't get my clips. Tell me that I know. So Bíọ́lá, you even when you were saying it, I would feel like you're like film without lightning.
Ìyẹn gan pọ̀ o lè mú ṣe fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kankan àwọn tó máa ń ṣe fíìmù yẹn in fact they used to try o wọ́n dẹ̀ kó iná sí wọn lójú yìí iná yẹn máa ń bright o wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ja fíìmù àwọn míì wọ́n lè máa ja fíìmù for like 1 month wọ́n dẹ̀ máa tanná sí wọn lójú ní yìnyín wọ́n yọ táwọn actors recently nísìnyí tó yẹ pé wọ́n máa ti lọ location for like maybe 1 month or so wọ́n máa travel kúrò Nàìjíríà láti ṣáà máa wo nǹkan míì tí ò ṣe iná yẹn tí wọ́n tàn sí wọn lójú. It is well ẹ wo lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Baba Ijesha ẹ jẹ́ á fi bàbá yìí sílẹ̀ dẹ́nu jọ́ nítorí Ọlọ́run kí ni ẹ fi àǹtí Bíọ́lá sílẹ̀ ẹ má bully àǹtí Bíọ́lá. Àǹtí Bíọ́lá iṣẹ́ wọn náà ń ṣe. Please let's leave her alone. Anyways, that's all I've got for you guys in this video. It's all about